Hello everyone and welcome to Tech with Jay. Before starting this video, I want you all to watch a short clip first. I built all these designs, but just not the way you think. No designer, no Photoshop, no agency, no budget. I created a complete product launch kit. Logo, packaging, social media, campaign, retail assets, all built in single afternoon using one AI tool. Now, let me take you through the concept. The brand we are building today is called Peak. It's a premium protein bar, dark chocolate flavor, black and gold identity, positioned for people who train seriously and don't want to compromise on quality. Now, Peak doesn't exist. There's no factory, no formula, no company behind it. But by the end of this video, it will have a complete visual identity. Everything it needs to walk into a retailer, run a launch campaign, and show up on social media looking like a brand that's been built up by a proper creative team. So here's everything we are going to make. Brand identity like logo and style tile, packaging like bar wrappers, multi-pack retail boxes, hero product shot, ad campaigns for magazine, poster, billboard, bus stop ad, social media for Instagram launch post, Instagram story and Facebook banner, retail and digital like shelf wobbler, display stand, email header and website banner. So 15 assets, one tool. Let's go. And yes, we are going to create this by using only one AI tool, which is called ChatGPT Images 2.0. So this is our demo section. We are going to build everything from ChatGPT Images 2.0. So we start where every brand starts with, the logo. So here is our prompt. Design a premium logo for a protein bar brand called Peak. Black and gold color scheme, bold modern typography. Include a minimalist mountain peak icon above the word mark. Clean white background, suitable for packaging and digital use. Now let's see what we are going to get. So now it's our logo. Mountain icon, gold on black, clean, bold, feels considered. But now a logo on its own is just a mark. What makes it a brand is consistency. So we build the brand style next and the document that holds everything together. The color palette, typography, logo in context, tagline, pattern elements, everything. So now we are going to build a brand style tile. That's our prompt. Create a brand identity sheet for Peak Protein Bar. Include the logo, primary color palette, secondary font pairing, brand tagline. What's next? Pattern, texture elements, professional brand guidelines layout. Now let's see. And here it is. How neat, clean, precise. I will zoom it for you. See. This is what an agency presents at the end of a brand discovery process. After weeks of workshops, mood boards, and the rounds of feedback, and we get it in few minutes. Now it covers the first section, that is the brand identity of our product. We built it, I think, in just a few minutes, right? So this is really exciting, and now we move towards the branding and packaging of the product. Let's start with the packaging of the product, and we will build a premium protein bar wrapper for our brand Peak Protein Bar. You can read the prompt on my screen. I'm going to make a premium protein bar wrapper, flavor dark chocolate, black matte background, gold foil typography, mountain peak logo top center. This is the one most people assume AI can't do properly. because it's not just design, it's technical and requires very specific knowledge. So first let's find out, are we satisfied with our design? So this is it. This is what we get. Clean design. Front panel, back panel, nutrition facts, barcode, weight, flavor call out, gold foil on matte black. That is not good for AI. I can say that is genuinely a very good design. A very, very good design. Now we are going to build a 12 bar box, the kind of thing you would pitch to a buyer at Whole Foods market. And this is our prompt. Design a retail box packaging for peak protein bars, 12 bar multi-pack. Black box with gold embossed logo. Front panel shows product name, flavor variety, and hero style image of a mountain at sunrise. Let's find out. Here it is. This is what we get. Isn't it great? And now we are going towards the hero product shot. So for a hero product shot, normally we need photographers, studio, props, lighting, editing, 4 figures before you see a single prompt. So now we will see what is our prompt. So this is our prompt. Create a premium studio product photograph of a peak protein bar. Dark chocolate flavor, black and gold packaging, dramatic side, dark moody background, scattered cocoa beans and almonds around it. Let's see what we get here. That is a product photograph from a sentence. Mind-blowing, right? Would you believe that? So that ends the packaging of our product. So I think we are now quite happy with our packaging, right? So let's move to the ad campaign. We are done with branding, packaging, and now we are going to sell it. So a real ad campaign needs 3 things: print, outdoor, and digital. All 3 have to feel like they came from the same place, same creative DNA, same visual language. Normally that's a creative team, but today it's just us. So we will start with campaign poster first. The hero image, the one that anchors everything. So this is our prompt. Create a full page premium advertising poster for peak protein bar. And our tagline is fuel what's next. So this will be the dark cinematic background, silhouette of an athlete at the summit of a mountain at sunrise, peak logo top left, bar product bottom right, tagline in bold gold type center, magazine quality printed. This is what we get. See, this for billboard that it has to work in 3 seconds. It should get your attention in split seconds. So this is the prompt for our billboard. Landscape format, split composition, left side dramatic mountain, and this is what we get here. And now we are going to build a bus stop ad. It should be something that stops you mid-stride. So create a bus stop advertising poster for peak protein bar. Athlete mid-sprint, motion blur, golden hour lighting, large bold tagline, product image, and this is what we get. Wow. So this ends the ad campaign for our product. 3 formats, 3 environments, 1 campaign, and we build it in less than 8 minutes. So this is how the designing is changing these days. And now we will move to the part 4, that is social media pack. So social is where the launch actually happens for most brands today. you need volume, you need speed, and it all has to feel consistent. So we are going to build 3 assets. First, it's an Instagram launch post for bar, kind of a bold announcement that we are live, product centered. And this is our Instagram post, bold, clear with the message that now we are live, what is the product. The second we are going to build is a Instagram story ad for peak. What is offering 40% off on your first order, launch weekly, countdown, all kind of urgency that needs for the social media attention. So this is our Instagram story, 40% off on your first order. Shop now, clean, bold, with the peak protein bar, hero shot. This ends with the social media pack. And now we will move to retail and digital design. A brand that only exists on social media is not a real brand yet. You need to live in stores, in boxes, on websites, everywhere. So we are going to cover all the touch points, and now we're going to design a retail shelf wobbler card for peak protein bar. It would be a circular format, new launch in bold gold on black, flavor name, price, star rating, premium feel, suitable for Whole Foods or Planet Organic. And this is what we get. A great design. And now we are going to create a retail display stand header card, wide landscape format for top of a retail shelf unit. And this is what we get. It looks premium. I will show you, zoom it for you. See. And similarly, we created digital marketing assets like email, header, banner. This is our prompt. This is what we get. This is the website homepage hero banner for the peak protein bar. We give all the format, all the specifications, and this is what we get. So here, all you need to do is you have to write your prompts in clear language, in clear terms, and then you will get the best design. I'm going to paste all my prompts in the description box so that you can copy it or adapt it. Or if you need any other help with your product, with the format, with prompts, then please let me know in the comments. I will see what I can do to help you with your designs. So this is the end of our demo section, and we have covered all the 5 sections till now. So I hope you enjoyed this thing, and you will be as amazed as I am that. So here's what we built today. 15 assets, 1 single prompt, 1 AI tool in 1 afternoon. I will say this once, this doesn't replace great designers. The best creative work still need human taste and human judgment behind it. But if you have been waiting to launch something because the creative felt too expensive, too complicated, too far out of reach, you are out of excuses. Every prompt I used in this video is in the description. Copy them, adapt them, make them yours. If this was helpful, subscribe. I do this every week. Drop your product idea in the comments. See you in the next week.